Hey, what's up, YouTube? What's going on? It's your boy Kevion. Today we're gonna make a smoothie. So we got the juice. You know, I like to make my smoothies with juice. Some YouTube. So we added the fruits in the blender, the pineapples, got the apples, got the blueberries. Gonna make some juice. You know, I never tried this recipe. Should be good. Mix the juice with it. You know, you can get the juice from Dollar Tree. These are dollar juices. And about nothing. And these are the functions. So since it came out the freezer, you want to hit the icebreaker, break it up. Now the taste test.